Ito na mga idol, ang pinakahihintay nating laban ngayong araw. Ito ay ang laban ni Rolando D versus Liam Reese. Ito ay bakbakan pala mga idol ng Pilipinas versus United Kingdom. Ang labang ito pala mga idol is para sa Super Welterweight World Title ng BKB or Bare Knuckle Boxing. Ito ay sapakan na walang boxing gloves mga idol, kaya madugo tong labang ito mga idol. Itong Pilipino pala na si Rolando D mga idol is anak ito ng dating boxing world champion na si Rolando Navarrete. Bad boy mga idol. Undefeated tong kalaban ni Kabayan mga idol na si Liam Reese. At currently world champion challenger dito ang Pilipino mga idol na si Rolando D. Namumula na agad ditong mukha nitong champion mga idol, world champion na si Reese. Nag-aantay lang dito si Kabayan ng isang magandang counter. Nice. Uy, pumutok na nga mga idol. Putok na ang mukha nitong world champion mga idol sa kilay. Maganda ang teknik dito ni Rolando D mga idol. Tamang abang-abang lang dito ang ginawa ng Pilipino mga idol. Naghihintay lang siya. Oh, warning. Nice. Para mapapahiya dito ang world champion. Reese can do the same thing he's doing just with the fist closed. Yep, and there he finally got D a little bit out of position. And now switches to southpaw. Oh, yun. Munti ka na. D is he commits a lot. He commits heavy on his attack. He goes from nothing to all at once. And now D's going to be warned about headbutts. Yeah, he's flying with his head. He's got to be careful there as well. Reese has to be careful. That's the thing about D's attack. It's all at once, and he flies in. And he falls in, so there can be a head clash. Again, he's not being made to break position. This is where Reese could use a jab here. Not necessarily have to. Masyadong maingat sila sa bawat suntok na binibitawan mga idol kasi isang pagkakamali lang ito eh. Oh, yun. Tumamas Kabayan. Ito na mga idol, round number 2. Champion Liam Rocky Reese in the black. The challenger Rolando D in the black and white trunks. For now, that cut above the masyadong malaki itong world champion mga idol kumpara dito sa Pilipino. Parang kung sa physical differences lang ating pagbaboy yun. Knockdown mga idol. Woo! Knockdown. Butata. He's holding position very, very well. He sees on that back foot, so he's able to sort of absorb the initial reaction, the initial aggression of Reese. That's why Reese needs to break his position. Frustrated na dito ang Briton mga idol. Galit na galit siya eh sa ginagawa ng Pinoy. Iniinis din kasi ni Kabayan. Kaya naman nagagalit. Oh, ganda ng straight. Tinatawanan lang siya dito ng Pilipino eh. Yun, counter. Ang ganda.
Kalmado ang Pinoy eh. Siya eh, frustrated na itong world champion eh. Baka mapahiya pa ito. Masyado pa siyang malaki. Parang makaibang division itong dalawa eh.
Here in round 2 by the challenger. Massive left hook landing. And Reese is having trouble negotiating distance. And D sees that Reese is a little bit hesitant to close that final gap because he knows that Reese knows that right hand is in. There's again D with that right hand. Reese has to find an answer for that roll right hand that D has. If he doesn't find it, he's going to have problems the rest of the fight. And it's also going to keep him hesitant from wanting
Tamang bad boy lang ang galawan dito ng Pinoy eh.
Again, you see what D's doing. He's actually showing it to him. He's like, yeah, that's one nice shot there from Reese. That was a good shot with the right hand. D thought a jab was coming, and he was looking jab, and he's looking lead hand, and Reese led with the backhand and landed a right hand that D did not see coming.
Nice.
Right hand there from D. Rocky back at southpaw. Under 30 seconds here in round 2. But landing that right hand has now put D a little bit more, a bit much, and it was working. But once he got hit with the right hand, you saw D now got a little bit aggressive. Now he's back on the back foot again, looking for that counter right hand. Final seconds of the round.
Uy, yun. Tumingin pa sa referee eh.
All at once attack by D, where he'll go from 0 to be careful being
Dito na mga idol, round number 3. Patuloy ang bakbakan dito mga idol. Dito sa boxing na walang gloves.
for 6 3-minute rounds.
Uy, nananakal na itong Briton mga idol. Oh.
Say, got a good clinch.
Ginagawa na ang lahat ng daya.
You would think
Magang-maga ng mukha eh. Para ng
MMA
puro bukol na ang mukha nitong Briton eh.
always the case. These boxing, these
Yun, nice counter by D.
These intelligence with a game plan and executing it here that has really made a big difference here in this fight so far. Because Reese has not been
Maganda rin kasi ang boxing IQ nitong Pilipino eh.
that D throws and that D rocks back with. And not only has it not found an answer for it where D's landed it, but it's also prevented Reese. It's made Reese hesitant to close the gap.
Nice counter. Yun. Rekta sa panga.
Punches, and that was happened there for Reese. Reese is closing the gap with a little bit of hesitancy, and D is catching him because of it. That's a mouse under the right eye of Reese.
Tingnan niyo yung mukha nitong Briton mga idol.
Fierce Viking-like fighter.
Magang-maga na nice. Sapol palagi sa counter eh.
Punches there from D.
Dinidilaan lang ng Pinoy.
Strong chin of Rocky Reese, a major weapon that has been tested before. It's being tested tonight. D talking now. D's confident. Midway point of this championship fight. The champion in the black, the challenger in the black and white. Southpaw again for Rocky. Not a trash talker, even though he understands the entertainment value. He appreciates the fans, the attention he's gotten as a champion. Liam Reese, though, said he's still a normal family man, but he's got a heck of a battle from the Philippines tonight.
Uy, swinging. Nagyabang ka pa.
Again, the Reese, D will kind of lull you to sleep at times with 0-0, do nothing, looking like he's trying to draw you into a counter, and all of a sudden lead with some powerful shots. You see Reese, again, a bit hesitant to close that gap. You see he's landing on the end of those shots. So there's not a lot of damage being done because he's a little bit hesitant to close those final 6 inches.
Halos naliligo ng mukha ng Briton ng dugo mga idol.
With the counter right hand.
Puro na rin bukol.
That trepidation and that hesitancy on the part of Reese. Body shots in the clinch from the challenger. Reese comes in. Gloved, hybrid, bare knuckle, 21-0. Right hand lands late.
Ito na mga idol, round number 4.
Title fight continues. Round number 4.
Isang madugo talaga tong labang ito mga idol.
Rolando D earlier in this matchup. Early in this battle, looms large. Jigs called it. Jigs, exactly. Great minds think alike. Oh, another counter right hand from D. Then Reese comes.
Tinijimpuan lang talaga ni Kabayan eh. Hinahintay niya kung ano eh,
He is frustrated.
nabibitaw.
And D senses it. D
Frustrated na itong champion eh.
The hesitation.
Galit na galit na.
The breaking of the body language of Reese. Reese has to try to get it together. He still has half the fight to go. You know,
Parang gusto nang umiyak itong world champion, mga idol.
still almost 50% of the fight still to go. for
Ang
Reese.
division pala ito, mga idol, is super welterweight.
Gonna turn it around. And of course, that can still seem, even though you have a long time, it can still seem like nothing. And I don't know if Reese has figured out the way to turn this around here.
D focuses on legacy, family, and discipline.
No matter what the change of stance happens, D stays in that position. If Reese changes stances, D stays in that position. Nice little uppercut on the inside from D as well.
Nanunulak na itong champion, mga idol eh.
Mutual respect.
Kasi masyadong malaki.
The battle continues.
Tinitingnan ng referee, mga idol, kasi nadagdagan sa kabilang mata ang cut nitong si... Oh, yun!
Counter right hand from D. D can't miss with that counter right hand. He lulls him into it. He draws him into it. And Reese even...
Tinatrash talk pa ng Pinoy ang kalaban. Kaya naman
Two tough fights
nagagalit
already
masyado.
and defended for Rocky Reese.
Let's see if
He
D
is
starts
in
to
a
lead.
serious fight right
Yeah,
now,
D,
partner.
D led with a 1-2 there. Now D's starting to maybe lead a little bit. D's done well with the counter punching, and it seems like maybe he doesn't want to go and get another counter right hand. Another counter right hand. Doesn't want to go away from it. But I would sense D maybe starting to lead
undefeated
here.
tong kalaban ni Rolando D, mga idol ah.
Maybe D will
Undefeated to.
start to search for a little bit more aggression.
Hindi pa ito nakatikim ng talo hanggang naging champion. Pero ngayon nangangamoy talo na ito eh.
Victory just with this game plan, but he may start to sense a weakening on the part of Reese, which may motivate him.
Oh,
to be
yun.
aggressive, as like right there. So he's starting to lead with his own attack now instead of waiting for it.
In his title defense against Martin Reppel, it went to the 6th round. Reese fought through a broken nose and a point deduction in the 4th round.
Yeah, Reese is a warrior. Nice
Oh!
shot there from Reese.
Ganda.
Left hand. Lands.
Ganda talaga ng counter ng Pinoy dito, mga idol.
Scorecards are leaning towards the Philippines.
I'd say they're more than leaning at this point, right, Goldie?
Yeah.
D is very
towering,
confident.
right?
D is very confident right now. He's in his zone.
Kada pasok ng Briton eh, sango eh. Ito na, mga idol, round number 5.
The eye of Reese here.
Ay, pinatitingnan pa ng referee ang cut nitong
Now made it much
champion, mga idol.
Doctor talking to the champ.
the conversation here. Let's see. D waving his
Sige,
hands
patuloy
like that.
magbakan.
Reese has too big a heart for that.
We have seen that on display.
We've seen Reese war after war here. And I think Reese wouldn't mind the war, but it's been such a technical masterclass from D that he's prevented him from being the war that Reese wants. And from this perspective, Reese has been outgunned in a technical fight.
And Paulie, that goes back to the point we made at the top of this fight, this main event, is that Rolando D's got the strength, he's got the clinch, he's got the MMA, 28 MMA fights, but he said, I can box and I'm gonna box.
Yeah.
And he's doing exactly
Yun,
Yeah.
sa Pulse Street.
Rocky will not go away in Rocky style.
But Rocky now, the thing about Rocky, the problem Rocky has too is he's got a little bit of a swelling on the left eye of Reese. So he has landed. I mean, of D, because so he has landed. There is some swelling on the left eye of D, and that can maybe motivate Reese a little bit as he has landed something to cause some swelling on the left eye of.
Namamaga na rin ang
There's another good
kaliwang mata ni Rolando D, mga idol. Unti-unti na rin namamaga. Kasi tinatamaan ng straight.
Already at the point though, Paulie, where
Need
Liam
knockdowns.
Reese needs a stoppage.
These at least some knockdowns.
Nice straight.
Part of Reese of D on Reese.
Pasok na pasok ah.
And then clinch this to try to, again, that's the psychological battle.
Yep, midway point of the 5th.
Oh, yun.
Reese is looking for a home run shot, though. You see how much he's loading these right hands up now. And with the left eye closing of D, let's see if Reese can hide that right. I think he should be in the right-handed stance. I think he should be throwing big right hands here because D may not see the right hands. So I think actually the southpaw stance is not the stance he should be in. He should probably be in a right-handed stance looking for big right hands. And D now smartly going back into that defensive posture, try to roll and counter right hands and not get too aggressive in case he walks into something.
And right when you said that, he did go orthodox.
Yeah.
Now back to southpaw for a moment.
He has to be careful. He's up in the fight. He's getting a little bit desperate, a little bit wild. He has to be careful himself. He's up in the fight. I think he's letting his emotions get the best of him, and now he wants to fight. But remember, Reese in a war is exactly what Reese wants. He gives Reese the best chances. Good shot there from Reese. Good shot there from Reese.
Is alive. This is the best round for Liam Reese.
Yeah, another good.
Dahan-dahan nang sumisira ang
Starting to get a little
kaliwang mata ni Rolando di rin, mga idol.
all of a sudden, the level of Diaz, but all of a sudden,
Ang hirap niyan hindi nakaputok.
his punches were nice.
Kaya naman namamaga lang, swelling lang.
He started punching between
Hindi siya nakakita dyan na
senses it.
mahirap diyang makakita sa left side na.
Reese here has to also be careful not falling
Oh,
in because he
tingnan nyo.
thinks he has the ability to finish a combination. Look at this.
Isa na lang ang mata ang nakakita kay Rolando.
The right hand. Reese can't miss with the right hands. I don't think D sees them, guys. Reese back in the southpaw stance, though, which again I don't think is his best position because it also lets him completely close. He's got an opportunity.
Ito na, mga idol, round number 6.
They're going to check.
Doctor can't stop this fight. The guy Doctor cannot stop this fight. He's up ahead in a championship fight. Cannot stop this fight. There's 1 round left. If there was 5 rounds left, I'd say okay. There's 1 round left. 1 round left.
It's good to go. He passed the test.
So patuloy ng makbakan, mga idol.
If there was 4 or 5 rounds, okay, I'd say you may have a point. There's 1 round left.
Oh, yun. Tinamaan ng straight.
Rocky went right after that spot that you talked about, Paulie.
Yeah, Reese probably needs some knockdowns, a knockout, and he's in a position to possibly get it here. I don't agree with him being in the southpaw stance.
Delikado sa lifok itong si Rolando, mga idol.
Just missed the right hand.
Kasi hindi siya nakakita dito sa kabilang mata.
He missed it.
Tuluyan na ngang nagsirado.
Tight enough and close and short enough to land him. D is intelligent here. He's
Oh,
playing a defensive posture.
hindi nakakita, mga idol. Tinatamaan siya
As
eh.
long as he doesn't get knocked down. So D's gonna play it safe here, being that he has 1 eye.
Rocky again.
Nice.
He's firing for that left eye, just like you talked about.
But I think Rocky has to set up the right hand with some combinations. He has to throw some decoy punches because D knows the right hand is what Rocky's looking for, and D also knows that as long as he gets out of this round unscathed, he's probably the new world champion.
Pero dapat mag-ingat lang dito si Kabayan kasi masyado siyang lamang sa puntos.
Guys it a little bit better.
Kung sa puntos ng ating pagbabasihan.
The whole arena knows that that's
Ang kailangan dito ng Briton, mga idol, is makascore ng knockdown or ma-knockout itong Pilipino para manalo.
Got a left to sneak in
Kasi masyadong itong lamang ang Pinoy, mga idol, maski manalo siya dito sa round na ito.
from the southpaw stance with that right now.
he almost went for the first clinch of the fight, right? The
Yeah.
Thai plum, which we saw worked very well against Duran, but he hasn't tried it this fight. And Reese is frustrated. Reese now doesn't have to hesitate to come in because I don't know if D can pull a trigger on the right hand as easily, being that he can't see as much. But
Dumudugo na rin ang ilong nitong Briton, mga idol.
now that landing a clean shot is still difficult. There's a minute left. Is there a minute left in the championship reign?
Nice counter.
On the right hand there by D.
Breaking up the clinch at more of a rapid pace. That may go all the way back to the headbutt, the clash of heads
Yeah.
early in the fight.
I agree, Goldie. Reese tries an uppercut there, misses it. Reese is frustrated, Goldie.
30 seconds remain.
After 30 seconds left in the title reign of Rocky Reese, or is he going to pull a rabbit out of the hat here?
Is he going to pull a Rocky?
Rocky, he's going to have to try it here, but D is not engaging. D is not engaging like Apollo. D knows he's winning. And D is looking to finish the fight here. He knows he's done the work in the first 4 rounds.
Especially that knockdown.
And knockdown again, lose large, Golden.
They go the distance.
Ito na, mga idol, umabot tayo sa desisyon, mga idol, ng laban. Sana masungkit to ng kababayan nating Pilipino. Yun, panalo si Rolando D, mga idol. Via unanimous decision, mga idol. Panibagong super welterweight world champion itong si Rolando D sa bare knuckle boxing. Suntukan ng walang boxing gloves mga idol. Congrats.